Okay, so that's good. That's better, Ben. Okay, so Ben, I will share to you the screen for today. Okay, wait a minute. Are you okay now, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, how's your day?
Um. Good.
Okay, so what did you do today? You're doing great.
Yeah. I go to school and
And then
go
you go to
home.
school, and then what else?
I go home. I have dinner.
You go to school already? It's school time?
No, it's just the I don't know it's calls, but it's not. But I'm not going to school now.
Summer?
Yeah, like summer class.
Okay. So how about tomorrow? What time we will gonna have the class? Can you have morning class tomorrow?
Maybe.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you are doing great now. Okay, you are doing great today. So do you feel tired?
No.
So when will you go back officially in store? In school?
September 5.
Wow. It's still long vacations for you. You still have a lot of time for you to do that. Okay, that's very
Uh,
good.
and after next week,
Mhm.
I have 1 week free before I go to school
Why?
because next week was the last week of the summer class.
Yeah, yeah. Do you go to summer class? What is your lesson there? English again? Or no?
English, math, uh, literature, and science.
Wow. So you have lesson. Okay. So at least you have lesson. You will be learning in there. Okay. I truly believe in you. Okay. So Ben, okay, let us start now. Teacher, we're gonna share this one with me, huh? Okay, let us have here Unit 7B. Let us talk about your journey. Okay, your beautiful journey. Okay, so we have here the journey with
Maybe.
Ben. Okay, so we have here Ben. Mostly as you can see in the solution advanced, we are having here modals. Okay, modals verb. To give advice or to say something is good. Okay, we can use should not or ought not to. Less common. Okay, when you use the word ought not to, it's less common. It's not common. Okay, like you should not leave money in your hotel room. You ought to phone the hotel to check your reservations. Okay, so if it's negative, of course you will put not. If not, do not put not. Okay. Okay. So be better. Okay, be better off form. You'd better off using your credit card, or you'd better off using your credit card. It's good always. Had better, we only use it to talk about this moment. Okay, so okay, like you'd better ask before you use his phone. So I am talking to you, Ben. You'd better go to go to the bathroom now before we will start the class. Like that. I am talking it to you, Ben, now. Okay, while I am talking. Okay. So must not. To be insistent but friendly. So in this context, we often use it with the adverb really. We often use it with the adverb really. Okay. Now. When we are talking about the past, we use shouldn't have or less commonly. You shouldn't have stayed up so late. You are too tired to work. Okay. Expectation and conclusions. Expectation is what you expect. Conclusion is what you conclude. To talk about things we expect to happen, we can use should or less commonly ought. Okay. To talk about things expected to happen is the past. We should have or ought to have. Okay. Okay. Obligation and prohibition. Prohibition, it means you are not allowed to do that. It's prohibited. Okay? You must not. So when you say the word prohibited, it means it is negative. Okay. Have to or need to in everyday language. So you have to do this, Ben. You have to go to school every morning. Oh, you need to go to school. So it means it's everyday language. It's compulsory. Okay. So, by the way, Ben, tomorrow, what time we're going to have our class?
8 a.m. I guess.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Ben, sorry. I have 8 a.m. class. Can we have 9 a.m. for you? Or 7 a.m.? You want 7 a.m.? Oh, I am happy. Want
Maybe
early?
7 a.m.
Ah, yay. Early, okay? We will gonna do it early. 7 a.m. is better, okay? Because I have class at 8 a.m. with Kim. So Kim is another Vietnamese student. He is he is like you, Ben. He's very attentive and always attending the class on time. Okay? Now, to say something is not necessary or not obligatory, Ben, okay. So, of course, it is negative. Don't have to, okay. Don't need to. Didn't need to or needn't have when you talk about the past. Okay. Now, choose the correct modal verbs to complete the messages when from the online forum. It's Trouble Forum.
Been teaching English for over 5 years. I have experienced teaching students from China, Japan, and Korea. And currently, I am teaching students from Southern America and Europe. I am excited to help you improve your English on interactive way. I also own a coffee shop, so you might see some coffee related content here too. Follow me for tips, challenges, and many more. Let's get started on this English learning journey together. Hola, I'm Teacher Bella, your ESL teacher from the Philippines. I have been teaching English for over 5 years. I have experienced teaching China, Japan, and Korea. And currently, I am teaching students in Europe. I'm excited to help you improve your English on interactive way. I also own a coffee shop, so you might see some coffee related content here too. Follow me for tips, challenges, and many more. Let's get started on this English learning journey together. Hola, I'm Teacher Bella, your ESL teacher from the Philippines. I have been teaching English for over 5 years. I have experienced teaching China, Japan, and Korea. And currently, I am teaching students from Southern America and Europe. I'm excited to help you learn English in an active way. I also own a coffee shop, so you might see some coffee related content here too. Follow me for tips, challenges, and many. Let's get started on this English learning journey together. Hola, I'm Teacher Bella, your ESL teacher from the Philippines. I have been teaching English for over 5 years. I have experienced teaching China, Japan, and Korea. And currently, I am teaching students from Southern America and Europe. I'm excited to help you improve your English in an interactive way. I also own a coffee shop, so you might see some coffee related content here too. Follow me for tips, challenges, and many more. Let's get started on this English learning journey together. Hola, I'm Teacher Bella, your ESL teacher from the Philippines. I've been teaching English for over 5 years. I have experienced China, Japan, and Korea. And currently, I am teaching students from Southern America and Europe. I'm excited to help you improve your English in an interactive way. I also own a coffee shop, so you might see some coffee related content here too. Follow me for tips, challenges.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay, so we have here
Journey
together. Okay, so let us have here, I'd better. Very good. Okay, had better or must not? Okay, must not use sleeping bags. I mustn't or I needn't. I need not. Before leaving, you definitely ought to plan the first few weeks. And need not, you are better off. Okay, and must, need, had to, should, didn't need to, and needn't. Okay, always negative. So these are always negative attitude from the students. Okay. So you can see the travel forum. Okay, I traveled around before year for 7 months staying in the youth hostel. Before I left through that, I'd better take my sleeping bag. But every hostel I visited has a sign saying guests must not use sleeping bags. Oh, I didn't use it once. Before leaving, you definitely ought to plan the first few weeks or a trip and make some reservations online but you must book all your travel and accommodations. Okay? So this one then talks about travel forum. Okay. Choosing the correct modal verbs to complete the sentences. Okay, next one, Ben. Choose the better option, Ben. Which do you think, Ben, is the better option, A or B? What is the other option less suitable or incorrect? Please try to.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here first, should when traveling abroad you should. Oh, correct. Number two, please read, Ben.
Should I book a single ticket or a return, do you think?
Okay, had better. Okay, answer is had better. But the answer here is, oh, but the answer here is should. Okay, had better. Okay, two. Okay, had better is not used. So it's letter A for general advice. Okay, two.
Should I book a single ticket or a return, do you think?
Okay, correct. Okay, number three.
Do you want this pair bus ticket? I didn't need to use it.
Okay, it is. Didn't. Do you want this spare bus ticket? I didn't need to use it. Okay, next is weekend. Very good, Ben. Yay! Okay, so this one. Okay, number five, please. Sorry. Okay, if you book online, it is, it needed be. Okay,
Oh,
okay, you blank. What is this? You should not. Okay. You better not have left. It implies the speaker doesn't know if the passport was left in the hotel or not. So because, okay, one of the student is an old student, he will always ask question. Okay, this one. We can combine need to or have to. So we can mix it in one. Please complete the sentences with phrases below.
hello?
Okay. So we can combine need to or have to. Modal verbs like might have or should have. Okay, here example. Tom's still in town. He might be having to wait for some. Okay, so might and should. Okay, combine. Combine. Okay, this one. Please complete the sentence with this one. Phrases. Okay, I give my answer.
Chắc chưa? Có vụ cây không? Có gì anh không có được thì không thiệt có chắc chắn không không chắc.
Okay, please try to check here. Da, da, da.
Em chưa biết làm nghề của sao. Em không. Không phải không. Là sai gì?
Okay? Not yet. It's cold, Ben. It's cold, Ben. I feel cold, Ben.
Lát còn gì mưa mỏ thì làm rau ngập mồm chỉ có nhẹ cái chỉ
Okay.
Okay, so here, I cannot see Ben, it's small. Okay, should have to. You must have needed to book the hotel months ago. Okay, and you blank. Okay, you must have needed to book that hotel month ago. It's always full. Okay, 14 is maybe behaving. Maybe behaving. Okay. You done, Ben?
Hello?
Okay, do you have your answer? Number 6? 5, number
No.
5. Ben, I cannot see properly, Ben. It's really hard for me. Okay, number 5. Do you have answer number 5?
Yeah. Can't have had to.
2.
The first one.
Next, number 2. In my opinion,
Wait, you
if you're
show the answer except for the number 5.
okay. Okay, please check the answer. Can't have had to. Okay, that is the common. Okay? Okay, this one. Please try to choose. Okay, please underline slightly changes the meaning of the sentences. Please try to underline. Okay, 3. Oh, you'd better. Okay, 4. Okay, didn't take the plan. Okay, Yud.
Okay.
Okay, finished. Okay, it's not necessary. Okay, didn't need to plan. It wasn't necessary. I don't understand it. It's not good. So as you can see, most of them are what they call that one. Okay, it is common. Okay, but there are things that's not common. Okay, so here. Can you please speak up? Do not write Ben, just speak up Ben. Just speak up Ben. It's okay with teacher Ben.
Um,
Two, it probably won't be necessary to carry ID all the time. Okay, it is. Okay, look at that one. How about number 3? What do you think? How to rewrite?
I don't know. Like you
You speak up.
better
Do not write. Because it's
You-
supposed to be written.
you better buy a local SIM card for your phone.
Okay, it wouldn't be a good idea to buy a local SIM card for your phone. And so you should have both. You ought to both. Okay. It is not good idea, Ben, to keep in daily contact with your family. You should or you should not. To keep in daily contact of your family. Okay, number 5, Ben. What do you think? Just guess only.
He should leave his passport at the hotel reception.
Okay. So you should, perhaps it was necessary for him to leave his airport at the time. You should have both a good idea to keep in daily contact with your family. Okay, quite hard, Ben. It's quite hard. Okay, this one. Which of these below would be just natural as underlined word?
Hello, I don't understand things.
Okay. Which of the verbs below would be just natural as the underlined word? Example, Ben. Okay, no. Is not able to, no, and yes only. Okay, no and yes only, Ben. Okay. 3, can. Is there can?
Yes.
No. Was not able to. It's yes. I don't understand to Ben. Yes. Okay, I don't understand the activity. The activity is not good. Okay, it's different. Okay? So Ben, I will continue this tomorrow 9 a.m. Okay? So with that, so that we can focus. This is quite hard. Okay, talking about ability in the past. Okay?
Wait, I
Yes.
said about 7 a.m.
7 a.m. So 7 a.m. because teacher has a class at 8 a.m. So I have to be with you. 7 in the morning, ha? You will go to school, Ben?
No.
Okay. 7 a.m. is good. Okay, I agree with that. Okay, I will see you 7 in the morning. Okay? Bye,
Okay.
Ben. Thank you so much, Ben, ha?
Bye.
Bye-bye.